Okay, so the marks for this question are broken down quite nicely. The first mark you get is for expanding the bracket on the left-hand side of the equation. Then you're going to be rearranging this equation, and the second mark comes once you have put all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other. If you did make a mistake in the original expansion, you can still get the second mark. However, the final mark comes from dividing through by 2 and getting the exact answer, minus 9 over 2 or 9.5. Either of those scores you the final mark. And if you got all three of those, you scored full marks for the question.